Hey, everybody.
Hi. So we are going to have the podcast on September 3rd, right?
We are, and we're going to be doing something super exciting. We are going to be doing some abundance readings, yeah?
Yeah. And on the show, they're going to be free.
Yes.
So here's the thing. We're going to help people. We're going to help you identify where your abundance issues are. Where are the blocks? Mm-hmm. Fagla is helping, so is Tinkerbell. See Tinkerbell up there? Woohoo! Tinkerbell. And so when you are able to identify those blocks, you can either work them out yourself or hire Michelle, hire myself, and we will clear those blocks for you.
We'll help you clear them, yeah.
That's right. So.
But we all have blocks, right? I mean, we all have things that are keeping us from getting exactly what we want in our life, and that's what we're going to help you figure out what they are, and then we can take the next step if you're ready, if and when you're ready.
Yeah, and here's the thing. It's not just financial abundance, right?
No, it can be love, health, whatever that looks like for you. So come ready with your questions and get ready to find out where those blocks are, and then you can take the next step from there.
Yeah, it could be blocks of joy, like abundance of, having a block about abundance of joy.
Yeah.
Happiness, financial, physical abundance.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah, material.
Yeah. So.
All that.
Okay, so we're going to make that rock.
See you on the 3rd, next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah, bring your questions, everybody.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say bye, girls.
Bye. Say bye-bye. Woo, woo, woo.